Little Leo bounced in his bed. Tonight was Christmas Eve. He couldn't wait for Santa to visit. He tiptoed to the window, peering out at the snowy world. Everything glittered under the moonlight. "I wonder if Santa is almost here," he whispered to his teddy bear, Patches. Downstairs, a warm fire crackled. Leo had left milk and cookies on the table. Suddenly, a soft thud came from the chimney. Leo's eyes grew wide. He peeked around the corner. A jolly man with a big red suit and a long white beard was dusting soot off his clothes. It was Santa Claus. Santa smiled, his cheeks rosy and eyes twinkling. "Well, hello there, Leo," Santa boomed softly, so as not to wake anyone. "You're quite awake for this hour." Leo was a little shy, but he pointed to the cookies. "Are you hungry, Santa?" Santa chuckled, taking a big bite. "These are delicious. Thank you, my boy." He placed a beautifully wrapped present under the tree. "This one's for you, Leo." Leo's heart fluttered with excitement. He watched Santa check his list one last time. "Now, I must be off," Santa said, winking. "Many more stops to make." With a twinkle and a nod, Santa disappeared up the chimney as quickly as he arrived. Leo snuggled back into bed, feeling like the luckiest boy in the world. He knew this Christmas would be truly special.